All right, so I'm gonna try to get back to the automotive stuff. I lost like 300 followers in the past 2 years just because I have just been all over the place, been doing a lot of jiu-jitsu and whatnot. But I'm trying to start my own shop. Had a goal of it years ago. I was just tuning stuff on the side and whatnot, a lot of automotive builds, just LS stuff mainly, but been getting into the EcoBoost stuff and whatnot. But I am going to try and do an actual shop this year. You know, I'm not getting any younger. I need to just go ahead and do it. I enjoy it. I do it all the time on the side. So everybody's just told me, just do it, just do it. I'm gonna quit messing around and just gonna go ahead and jump into it. First things first, my own thing. 09 Denali, the 6.2 L9H. So, first of all, YouTube, if you can leave me a like, comment, subscribe, anything, even if you don't ever watch again, this will just help me to, I'm really trying to get a shop going. And I would really like to be able to buy a shop, have it put here on the back part of my property and just work with that. Currently, I have no heat, so that's why I'm shaking. It's like 20-some degrees. So, something's wrong there. I don't think the head is really tore up. The valve is probably straight, but it dropped a valve. Yes, I know. 6.2s, the 823s specifically. Well, 823 and 821s are notorious for dropping valve seats. So I bought these heads, $1,000 stock. They're just clean, brand new ones. Because my other set over there that originally came on the motor, dropped one, kissed number 4, right there. No damage. It was just making a weird noise, bad misfire, whatnot. So, swapped it all out, rebuilt it, all new rod bearings, cam bearings, everything in that motor. This is literally nothing but, I think I got 200 miles, maybe not even 200 miles on this. Locked up the motor on a main street here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. And that's what's cracked the piston in half, smacked the piston, broke the skirt. I don't think the rod's bent. Haven't really checked or cared. I was very upset. Spent $1,000 on these heads, but there is nothing except like a real faint mark. I can't. Oh, there's a little piece of it, but I'm gonna try to hone it or brush hone it. See what it does. I don't have a choice. I spent a lot of money on this build, money that I should have spent on other things, but I'm kind of stuck here now. The guy said he is going to take these heads back. He wants the piston. I gave him the casting number off of it, whatever he wants to piston, whatever. And he's going to send me some 821s, another piston, rod, rings, and a whole lower and a whole lower end gasket kit. I'm not going to reuse these head gaskets. I've never done that. They've literally got 50 miles on them or 200 miles on them, but I don't do that. That's just dumb. They're like 50, 60 bucks or maybe 70, 80, whatever. But anyways, I bought this. This thing's disgusting, by the way. I bought this thing. This is a 0953 DOD, everything. Worst comes to worst. If this guy dips on me, doesn't send me the stuff for a month, I guess I'm gonna have to build that and DOD delete it and just switch the Denali over to a 5.3. Because 6.2s are just way too expensive right now for me. I don't have the time to try and find one. I found quite a few of them, but they're 160,000 miles on them, and I don't want to get half a year in, then it drops a valve seat, and I enter into the same situation again. So this disgusting thing, I mean, look at that. That's terrible. I'm going to go over this build with this one, and this is, again, 09 5.3. It's not an LM7, that's the Gen 3, I think. I don't remember which one this is. It's got 243s on it, though. I can't remember what that is. Well, you can't even tell. This thing is so nasty. Excuse my floor. Like I said, I have a very small shop. That Denali fits bumper to the back to literal, maybe a foot of space in the front between the door. So I have no heat. I have 1, 2 1/4 lights working. I'm really hoping I can get this going. But anyways, yeah, there it is. It's got some 243s. All my older LS guys, I mean, 243s used to be the business. I'm guessing that means Gen 4. I've never seen that before on these. Somebody's been in this. I did not notice those marks. I don't know what that's from. But anyways, yeah, so my aluminum 6.2, beautiful block. I put a new, another thing. So on these, this is a rebuild kit just from Summit. I got a oil pump. I'm not gonna use a regular pump because this thing had like 10 to 20 PSI warm. I'm gonna use a high volume or a high pressure. I know these 6.2s are notorious for low pressure, and everyone's like, oh, it's fine, I do it all the time. I just can't do it. So I got some Trunnion upgraded rockers for this 6.2. I mean, you can obviously see, I put a ton of work in this thing. This is the old stuff, but yeah, whenever I got it running, the water pump was leaking on me very little, but I went ahead and replaced it. But yeah, so that's it. If you could help me out, I'm gonna start getting back to the automotive scene and take it easy on jiu-jitsu a little bit, try to open my shop up. I want to build a 3-bay right behind this one. It is icing. Oh my gosh, it got dark so fast. I came out here 10 minutes ago and this was light. I have so much crap everywhere because I was in a panic. I just got through tearing down a old chicken coop back here because I want to put the shop somewhere over here. So these are my other 2 projects. Probably what more people will be excited about. That is a 2021 wide body Scat Pack. This is a 2017 narrow body Scat Pack. I'm not too familiar. I took the fenders off of that one, put them on this. Obviously this is not the wide body version, so I will have to cut those, drill the holes and everything. That's going to be a chore, but yeah. And then that's a buddy of mine's truck that I'm gonna fix for him. But this motor, the Scat Pack 6.4, has this thing. I know I don't have it covered. I had a tarp over it and the wind took it away. But this has 8,000 miles on it. So really excited to see what that turns out to be. But there's the Denali. So we'll see.